4th of July to you all. Hey everyone, welcome back to my beauty space. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Natashia. And of course, before you try to exit this video, please do not forget to click the subscribe button. In today's video, I did want to give you guys a quick 4th of July look. I'm obsessed with these cute little earrings. I'm happy that I did a red lip. You guys are gonna be at these barbecues outside, super hot, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I do try to attend barbecues around 5 to 6 p.m., especially if I have a full beat. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look and something that you can wear at your 4th of July barbecue, please keep watching. Let's grab my Yes To. This is the Mistified Moisturizer. I love it so much. I have used it in several of my videos. We're gonna go ahead and shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it. I'm gonna take my Yes To. This is the Ultra Hydrating Soufflé Moisturizer. If you have dry skin or you live in a super dry climate, you definitely need to check this product out. And a little bit, actually a little bit more than that, goes a long way. We are in the summer month now. It is time to turn all the way up. So we need to keep our skin hydrated. This is the Moisture Lock Primer. Grabbing the Makeup Revolution concealer. I placed this on my eye. I'm gonna use this as a base today. For some reason, I love the way red and gold looks together. So we're gonna take Gold Added and we're gonna use this as a brow highlight. Now I do need to spray my brush with a little bit of setting spray. What do you guys typically do for the 4th? Leave a comment down below. I do like to work with a variety of palettes. This is the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. This is also one of my faves, especially for summertime. This is usually when I bust this bad boy out. So I'm gonna grab this shadow right here. And we're gonna place this in my crease. And if you need to look down into a mirror to find your crease, do that. Nothing's wrong with that, sis. Once again, we're gonna take that same shade in the Ultimate palette. And you guys can get the Ultimate palette. I think they have like the edits at Target, Ulta, you know, wherever you do majority of your shopping. Unfortunately, I'm one of those people that live at Target. Now that we have that color laid down, I'm gonna go back into my Makeup Revolution palette in the Velvet Rose. This is number 9. And we're gonna blend our brow highlight as well as the color I laid down, which is like the orange shade. My stomach is growling now that I started talking about food. So what do you guys cook? Like, I'm really interested in that because for a barbecue, I mean, hot dogs, hot links, hamburgers, like what else do you guys cook? Are you guys like non-traditional? Do you guys try to cook like a turkey? I don't know. I wasn't judging, that laugh wasn't a judge. And I'm just gonna grab a shade that kind of looks like my skin tone, which is number 6. And I'm gonna place that on my lid. I'm one of those people that will probably pretend like they made something and bring it to the barbecue and be like, hey, look what we got today. I feel like I kind of like picked the pace up with this video, especially since I'm not laying down a ton of eyeshadow. I'm gonna grab my e.l.f. This is a black eyeliner. This is actually one of my faves and it does have a brush instead of a felt tip. So if you are a beginner, I recommend felt tip eyeliners for you. And I do have a video of me applying eyeliner, so go ahead and check that out. I will link it down in the description bar. first wing complete. You know what I did think about? I was going to apply white eyeliner to the top, and it might have been cute, but I wasn't that bold yet. I was at the store like, yeah, sis, we gonna wait on you. Moving on, let's apply our mascara. I am using the L'Oreal. This is a throwback voluminous mascara. I'm obsessed, and it let me know that you are unique. I knew that. What is a throwback mascara that you love? I wanna say another throwback mascara for me would have to be the Great Lash Mascara from Maybelline. That little pink tube, how many of y'all had that mascara? Or seen your parents with that mascara? Somebody's had it. That's like the mascara you steal from your mom when you first start wearing makeup. I'm gonna use my Pretty Face Cosmetic lashes. These are called Live for the Drama Boo. If you do not know, I support Pretty Face Cosmetics. She is a Black-owned business. I will definitely link her information down below, but these lashes are fire, sis. I went to go grab my remote and that fell. I'm like, okay. Grabbing the second lash, I'm just going to bend because I want them to fit on my eye perfectly. You know what my stomach thinks it's gonna get right now? It thinks it's gonna get a Philly steak and cheese salad. What are the best Philly steak and cheese places in your city? I live in Colorado, if you didn't know already, and I go to the Taste of Philly. Since it is summer now, I try to do minimal foundation and concealer, and then I also try to cut down on the cream contour just to be on the safe side, especially since I'm gonna be outside all day. So I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution. This is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I'm not gonna lie to you, since I did get a little bit darker due to sitting in the sun so much, which I love, this foundation is my shade, and I think it looks beautiful and it lasts all day. And I love the glass container this foundation comes in, as well as the brush to apply it. I'm also gonna take my Eco Style brush. I've been loving this brush as well. And I do like to bring my foundation down to my neck. And no, this foundation definitely hasn't broke me out, so I'm happy about that. Foundation is looking flawless, darling. I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution concealer. This is in the shade C12. And as I mentioned, I did not contour. I am using the NYX is their highlight and contour palette. Shade that I'm going to use as a blush slash contour shade is going to be the last shade at the bottom. These earrings are so cute, but your girl struggled to put them in. They're so funny. Go to Target, pick them up, and just That's all I'm gonna say. Just, you try to put them on yourself. Once again, grabbing this shade right here. Picking up my Fenty Beauty powder. Now this powder does expose my pores. I mentioned this in a previous video, but this, I don't know what it is. I haven't had a setting powder do this to me, so it's a little weird. You guys will see kind of what I'm talking about, how it finds all of my pores and just like sits right on top. And you already know I do have to put a dash of this on my forehead. And I'm not gonna let this sit for and now we can apply a little bit under our eyes. And do you see like my cheeks? Maybe if you guys have any suggestions as far as a primer that will blur my pores, that would definitely be helpful. I love you guys' recommendations. Let's go ahead and get to the real reason why you're here for this 4th of July look. Let's add the detail to my lower lash line. So I'm going to pick up my Ruby Kiss. This is actually a lip liner, but we're gonna use it as an eyeliner. Doing the same to the other side. Oh, if you're new to my channel, these are contact lenses. These are from Iris Beauty. If you want 15% off your contact lenses, go ahead and use the coupon code Natashia Pickett, or go ahead and use coupon code Natashia15 and you will get 15% off your contact lenses. Going back into my Ultimate palette, I'm going to pick up the blue shade. Now there's 2 blue shades and I don't know if I'm gonna go with the, I think I'm gonna go with the one that kind of has a little bit of shimmer. So the blue shade that is right here, we're going to smoke out our lash line with this shade. And actually, you know what? No, I'm gonna mix both of them. Once again, picking up both shadows, we're gonna do the other eye. Can you guess what color is gonna be on my lips since I only used blue in my waterline? I'm gonna use my Winter Falls in LA. This is a highlight from Wet n Wild. This highlight does have specks of blue in here. It's so freaking beautiful. I love it. I'm gonna spray my brush with a little bit of setting spray. Oh yes. Oh, and because of that blue, whoo, it is picking up. Well, this is looking beautiful. Let's remove this setting powder, but like I said, look at that. But look how good it looks now. I like to close my eyes when I'm doing my makeup sometimes. It kind of makes me feel like somebody else is doing my makeup. I know I'm weird. Anybody else do that? In the spirit of all things summertime, I'm gonna take my ColourPop Butterfly Beach. This is a highlight. It is a cream highlight. Since my face is pretty much matte, we're just going to use our finger to pick up this product. And then I am gonna apply my mascara to my lower lash line. I could not let myself forget. Actually, you guys know I wouldn't have forgot. Anytime you're gonna wear red lipstick, make sure you exfoliate your lips the night before or before you're about to do your makeup. Red lips are so sexy that you don't want your lips to be peeling. I'm gonna draw that as the ultimate line of disrespect to a red lip. I love the liquid lipsticks from Wet n Wild. This is Missy and Fierce. This is a beautiful red shade and it is very matte. This lipstick dries so freaking quick and it kind of stains because I did place this on like my arm and I'm still having a hard time removing it. And you do want to move pretty slow with any type of matte, as well as something that stains. You can try to use concealer to clean it up, but red lipstick is kind of difficult. Also, I know I'm a little weird, but I do try to bring my lipstick, especially when I'm wearing red, to the inner portion of my lips. You see how pink that is? When I smile, I wanna make sure that there's still a little bit of red tint there and it's not so bright and pink. So this is the completed look. And let me grab my Revolution. This is one of my favorite setting sprays. Of course, you guys know I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my tutorials. You guys know how much I appreciate the support. I can never thank you guys enough. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. As a reminder, it is free. Also, do not forget to thumbs up as well as share my tutorials. If they were helpful for you, boo, they're gonna be helpful for somebody else. As always, you guys know I miss you and I will see you guys soon. Bye. How much I appreciate you guys. So I'll go ahead and So let me first be nice and give you guys a quick outfit of the day. I'm like, go ahead, bust it. Oh, never mind, forget it. In the Velvet Rose, hold. I don't wanna hear it. I reuse palettes. Hold, please. Now I'm just being silly. That curl back there is trying to be disrespectful. These little thotty shorts are from Target, as well as the top. Somebody's playing some loud music out there. I'm gonna have to go tell them to stop. Hold on. Here, come here. Like, let me just give you a hug. Forget it. Happy 4th of July. I'm about to be out here, you know. Okay, forget it. I'm done.